Andragogy is the theory of adult learning. Malcolm Knowles lists 5 assumptions about the characteristics of adult learners. He states that adult learners have prior experience and the ability to learn from the experiences of others, are motivated to learn things that they could immediately apply to their profession, have learning needs related to changing social rules, and can direct their own learning. Kahn, 2016. Andragogical principles need to be applied when creating and delivering professional development. These principles are founded on the assumptions of andragogy. This is the way that adults learn and are motivated, and without applying these principles, you would be treating the adult like a child, which would build resentment and demotivate the adult learner. Pappas, 2014, states several ways to apply Malcolm Knowles' principles to creating and delivering effective presentations to adult learners. 1. Create learning activities that offer minimum instruction and maximum autonomy. As Knowles states, adults can direct their own learning. Adults may also be more motivated if they know the purpose behind what is being taught. 2. Include a wide range of instructional design models and theories to apply to a varied experience levels and backgrounds. Learning activities should account for different levels and types of experience. 3. Make learning experiences relevant to real-life problems and situations. This will help to motivate the adult learner, and they will be able to practice what they are learning as they apply it to real-life situations. 4. Let adults absorb information rather than memorize it. As adults learn and apply their learning to real-life situations, they will be absorbing the information. Furthermore, instruction should allow for learners to discover things for themselves, although guidance and help should be offered when mistakes are made. Pappas, 2013. It is important to reduce bias when teaching the adult learner because bias can negatively affect the presentation and quality of learning for the students. Any assumption that you make about another person, whether they are a presenter or audience member, is a bias. The only thing that you should assume about your class as adult learners are the 5 assumptions by Malcolm Knowles. However, you should be aware that there may be some cultural differences and learn about the cultural values and norms of the people that you are with. This will help you understand your audience and vice versa. Additionally, I will work to acknowledge and confront my own biases on a continuous basis. In conclusion, andragogy is the theory of adult learning introduced by Malcolm Knowles. Malcolm Knowles lists 5 assumptions of adult learners with 9 principles and provides insight onto best practices for preparing effective professional development for adult learners. Reducing bias is another important aspect of teaching the adult learner, and steps should be taken to acknowledge and confront bias reflectively to not hinder the learning process.